This reel right here and this reel right here have been generated completely for free in under 5 minutes using NotebookLM. Yes guys, NotebookLM has released a new functionality that adds a ton of value because it allows us to create short form content, which nowadays is very important for any marketing initiative that we want to do. In the next 5 minutes of this video, I'm going to show you exactly where this update comes from, how you can do it, and yes, how you can do it completely for free. So without any further ado, let's jump right into the video. All right guys, so within NotebookLM, whenever we go into any notebook, for example, let's go into this one. As you already know, we have the studio functionality. If it's the first time you're seeing NotebookLM, I recommend you check out our channel. We have tons of videos explaining everything about the platform. If you now go to video overview and you click on this little arrow next to it, you are now going to see a new functionality, which is short. This allows you to make vertical videos, so these are ideal for your phone, so that you can create short form content for social media. Think Reels for TikTok or Instagram, or Shorts for YouTube. And the best part is that any account can do this. You do not need a paid account. Anyone who has a free NotebookLM account can access this functionality. But where does this come from? Why has this feature just been released, and why is it for free? Why can everyone use it? Well, this functionality comes because of the release of Google's latest image generation model, and that is Nano Banana 2 Lite. Basically, this new model, which was just released at the end of June, allows us to make images 2.7 times faster than the original model and for a fraction of the cost. If you look at this graph right here, you will see that it's going to cost us only $0.035 to generate up to 1,000 images. And that is exactly how we are going to generate videos. Because in reality, these shorts that you saw at the beginning and that we're now going to build together were not really videos. They are just images that are put one after the other. Each image will last us 4 seconds. And on top of that, we add a few effects and some sound. I'm going to show you how that's done in a second. It is very, very simple. So since we have this new innovation, now we can all create this completely for free. So what we're going to do now is go into NotebookLM and build a practice together. We're going to look at 3 examples and we're going to build 3 of these short form videos together. Okay guys, so as you can see, I'm in NotebookLM and I'm going to pick a random notebook. In this case, I have one I'm talking about the World Cup, just basically the history of the tournament, where it comes from, who has won it, etc. Again, to generate our short form video, we're just going to go to video overview and click on this little arrow, and we're going to make sure we have selected short. This is going to guarantee that vertical format, which is what we need for our phone, and it's going to give us around a 60-second clip. Now, here we have 2 options. Number 1 is it asks us what should the video focus on, and if you want to, you can guide it by deciding what you want to do. For example, here it says, do you want to talk about the history of the event, or do you want to talk about, for example, Brazil's national tragedy? Well, I want to talk about the World Cup history. Another option would be you can guide it yourself. You can write your own prompt here explaining what you want featured in that video. In this example, I'm just going to select World Cup history and I'm just going to click generate. Now, even though this model is super fast generating images, this can take around 3 to 5 minutes. And that is because there's a lot of things happening in the background. We're generating images, we're putting them all together, we're generating a story, and we're also generating sound, okay? So in order to make this simple for you guys, I already did this a few minutes ago just to have it ready. So I'm going to show you the final product and show you everything happening in the background. So if we click on it and full screen.
When was the FIFA World Cup created? When the Olympics already hosted the world's nations. Because by the 1920s, football was turning professional, but the biggest tournament was stuck in the past. Take the 1924 and 1928 Olympic Games. Uruguay's national team dominated the bracket, but the Olympic framework had a strict rule. If you earned a living from the sport, you were considered a professional.
Okay, there you go. This is the type of video that you receive. And as you can tell, for a free model that takes about 3 minutes, I think this is fantastic. Think of all these educational Faceless YouTube channels or TikTok accounts that actually generate income by posting these types of videos. How easy is it to now create this type of content? Or if you are teaching your audience about anything, you can now make educational videos so fast and simple thanks to this new model. Now, the way this works is in reality, there is no video. It is just multiple images that are put together, generated with the new model that I was mentioning. On top of that, whenever we give an instruction, in this case, we didn't prompt, but we will in the next example, we are just giving a topic. So with all of our sources from our notebook and the topic that we gave, NotebookLM will generate a prompt and it will come up with a story. That story will then be divided into individual prompts to generate all the images and put them together. On top of that, another prompt will be generated to generate a script, and that script goes to Google's text-to-voice generation model in order to generate Well, the voice that you are hearing in the background. So it's quite impressive, everything going on in the background. And again, the best part is we're still using all of the advantages of NotebookLM. And that is that this story right here that is being told about the history of the World Cup, it's not making it up. It's coming from sources that I have vetted and selected in advance. So we still have these limited hallucinations from using NotebookLM because our sources are still grounded. Okay, here I have a completely different example for you. Let's go a bit into politics. And here I just have a notebook talking about how the UK Parliamentary system works. So I have here all of my sources, and again, I went to video overview and generated a short. I've done this in advance just to have this ready, but if I click here on these three dots, I can now actually view my prompt. So I'm going to show you, in this case, I did use a prompt. I used this one right here. So just to show you the process, in case you're curious, we would go to video overview, click on short, and here in custom topic, I would just put in my prompt. The prompt I use is this: explain how the UK Parliamentary actually works in plain language for someone who never studied politics. Cover the two houses, the House of Commons and the House of Lords, what each one does, and walk through the basic journey of how an idea becomes a law. Keep it simple, visual, and easy to follow for a beginner. And check out the incredible video that it made for us.
How does a simple idea actually become a law in the UK? It's not just a room of shouting politicians. Parliament is a two-part machine designed to test and refine those ideas. One half is the House of Commons. Here, 650 elected members of Parliament sit on iconic green benches. The other half is the House of Lords, over 800 unelected members on red benches. The ultimate power lives in the green room.
So guys, again, how incredible is this? The quality is amazing. The information from this video comes from my sources, so I know it is accurate and correct. And the quality is quite good. I think that this could be posted to an educational account on social media and generate a ton of value. Now we're going to do two last things. I'm going to show you one last example, but I'm actually going to show it to you from the phone version so that you can see that you can also do this practice from your phone. Okay, and now for my last practice, I wanted to show you that you can also do this on your phone. So NotebookLM also has an app, which is very, very useful. So as you can see, I'm now in my phone and I'm going to select a different notebook. In this case, I have one analyzing the real estate market for Manchester. And the idea is that this is a notebook with sources on all that is necessary to buy your first home as a young person in Manchester in the UK. So if I go to my notebook and I go to the bottom of the screen to the right, I also have Studio once again. And here, as you can see, I could go to video overview and once again select short as it's selected right now, and I could put my prompt. Now I've done this already just to prepare it for you, and it's actually right here. I'm gonna click on it and let's watch the video together, guys.
How much cash do you actually need to save to buy your first home in Manchester? Most buyers stop saving the second they hit their minimum deposit, completely missing the true price of entry. Let's take the app.
As you can see, we have a functional video and we can do the exact same process that we did from our phone. Let's go back to the computer for a second, just so I can show you the prompt that I did. Okay, this is the exact same notebook. I have the same account and the prompt I use is right here on the screen. So guys, as you can see, this update is amazing because it really helps us generate valuable content completely for free, relatively fast, and very good information in our videos because once again, we keep the beauty of NotebookLM. Our sources are grounded and we can make sure that all the information is accurate and legit. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Remember that if you want to learn more about AI, we host a weekly class every single Monday completely for free where you can come see a live practice like this and ask me questions in the chat. The link to sign up is in the description, first link, completely for free. And also remember to subscribe and activate the notifications bell. We post 2 YouTube videos per week like this one to give you free AI content so that you can master AI and apply it professional. Hope you enjoyed and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.